Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today we're going to talk about measuring for the proper windshield height. Most people buy windshields not only for wind protection, but for aesthetics. They like the way it looks. But to get the full wind protection your windshield could give you, you really need to have it measured right. And you want it to hit right below your sight line, so basically right at your nose, because you really don't want to be looking through your windshield, because if your windshield gets mud or rain on it or something, it's going to impede your visibility. So you want to be able to look over the top of your windshield and it'll still give you that wind protection. So when you sit on the bike, you're actually not going to want to have really good posture. You tend to slump when you ride, so Brad's going to get in like his comfortable riding position. You don't really want to have, be way down there, but get comfortable on your bike like you normally would. And these billboard style windshields are measured from the top of the headlight up. So when something says it's a 17-inch windshield, it's actually going to be from the top of the headlight cut out to the top of the windshield, not the full length of the windshield. The other thing you need to take into consideration is it's going to lay basically with the rake of the bike. So it's going to follow the fork angle right here. So when you're measuring, you're not going to want to measure straight up like this. You're going to want to follow the angle of the bike. So with Brad, looking at about the top of his nose here is basically about a 22-inch height. So we're going to want to get something. Memphis Shades makes a 21. Something like a 21 is going to fit him really, really well. So for a bike with a fairing on it, basically the same rules apply. We're going to want to hit him right about in the nose as far as the windshield height. How you measure for one of these, we have our Clockworks flare on this, is you set a level or a straight edge across the top, and then you measure from the center bolt. He'd probably be better served with a windshield closer to the 8-inch range. But for aesthetics, we have a real short windshield on this, but in reality, Brad would probably benefit from an 8-inch windshield. So it's the same measurement, but you're going to go straight up to your level line from the top of the windshield. As always, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. If you like what you see here, tell your friends, please subscribe to us, and go work on those motorcycles.